Hello, Larissa here with a quick pop tip. Did you know that flaxseed is actually one of the most potent blood pressure lowering dietary interventions? So what does that mean? That just 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed per day can be as or more effective than the most powerful hypertension drugs and has no negative side effects. In fact, lots of positive side effects. If you haven't been using flaxseed before, there's many easy ways you can add it to your diet, and it's super cheap to purchase. You can sprinkle it into oatmeal, you can add it to your smoothies, or what I did yesterday was I made a bunch of flax crackers for my mother-in-law who has high blood pressure, so that she can just have 3 flax crackers a day and she's getting her tablespoon of ground flaxseed. So I'll share the link to the recipe I use, which is really delicious, and there's many other recipes that you can do. Regardless of if you have high blood pressure or not, this is something that can help you with your overall health, and because flax both is pure fiber and also because it's a good source of omega-3 fats. Definitely add at least a tablespoon of ground flax to your daily diet. Thank you for listening, and catch you in another pop tip. Bye.